Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my meal planner, which is a classic size happy planner, and we are going to be decorating the week of October 24th through the 30th. As you can see, I already started. This is from the collection from Live Love Posh called Whimsical Fall. I really liked this very whimsical Halloween decoration, so I wanted to include them in my meal planner. So we are adding a few of those really lovely like candies and things. I'm gonna pull out my pages now. I got so excited I forgot to pull out my pages to decorate, but I really like how the candy kind of transitions from one side to the other. And then we have the little cottage with the pumpkins. I want to think of it as a little gingerbread house. And then I am adding pumpkins. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome! I really hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're spending more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate this beyond measure. So if you are joining me, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Let's keep going with all of these little trinkets and pumpkins and all this cute stuff that I can't get enough of. And the minute I'm done decorating, we'll go ahead and actually meal plan the whole week. So we are getting ready. I am adding all of these little beautiful things. Look at that. Kitties, so cute. Another little boo sign. Like adorbs, I can't get enough. Okay, so let's pop this back in and let's actually meal plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold the planner over the minute I get my cheat sheet out, like so, and I'm gonna get my felt pen with a tip of 3.8 and we're gonna start. So on Monday, avocado toast. Yum, I can't wait. I actually love simple recipes sometimes. Okay, breakfast wrap, so probably some like lettuce, tomato, egg, and I'm gonna wrap it up and eat that. I think it will be great. Cinnamon baked apples. I love baking apples in the fall and I eat them as breakfast. I think they're so good. So I'm gonna have a garden salad on Monday, Greek salad on Tuesday for lunch. Yum. Maybe a wrap or leftovers from dinner on Wednesday, or Monday leftovers as well, depending if I cook. I usually cook. I'm pretty good about cooking, so that's good. Loaded sweet potatoes. These are so good, you guys. I make them with turkey, like ground turkey. So good. Curry pasta, which I love. Sometimes it's hard to come up with what to eat. I don't know if you guys have the same issues, but I do. Okay, ramen, but like fancy ramen. And then we're gonna do pork chops and broccoli, avocado toast. If I could spell, that would help too. But at this point, I don't even care. It is what it is. I understand what it means. Sweet potato hash or skillet, either way. I don't know which one. And Saturday we'll do breakfast wrap again. And then pancakes on Sunday, because who doesn't like some pancakes? It's Halloween week. It's time to actually eat a little. So exciting. I have salad or leftovers for dinner. That's usually my MO. That's like a normal thing for me. Friday, this Friday I'm not actually working, so I might have something different. Okay, chicken and fries. So we buy these frozen fries from Checkers, and OMG, they're so good. So they're available in Illinois by us. I'm not sure how many of you have that available, but they're so good. So on Sunday I'm gonna make cheesy pull-apart bread for dinner, and I think that's about it. We don't do lunch on Saturdays and Sundays. My boyfriend likes to sleep in, so that's kind of where that is. And now we're gonna do the actual wellness part of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the wellness part. It is a wellness planner called Listen to Your Heart. It is a classic size. It's super lovely. So just bear with me. I am going to be using a sticker book from Calva Plan, and this sticker book is called Fall Icons, and she has this really cute Halloween collection. I don't even know what to call it, but I'll call it a collection with like really pastel whimsical colors, and that's what I really like. I like scary Halloween, but as far as decorating, I prefer like the cutesy, soft, beautiful, like, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I know Halloween is about being scary, but that's definitely not me. So I'm gonna add that little cold hand up there. So cute. Okay, and this pumpkin cracks me up every time I see it. I don't know what it is about it, but really funny. So I definitely wanted to include that. We're gonna add a scary mug. I don't know where, but somewhere. Or not, I don't know. Let's do this pumpkin, and maybe let's do another pumpkin, like these jack-o'-lanterns, and I think that's really cute. And I'm gonna add one on this side to add to the excitement. And maybe let's add this cake, trick or treat. And let's see what else I have, and then we can decorate throughout and go from there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add those two to rename these. So one is mood and sleep. The other one is actually movement and my medication. So that's what I track. So I'm going to be making some free-handed bullet points with the same pen. I really like this pen when it comes to bullet points. It's very light and visible, and that's what I like. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna add a scary hot cocoa mug to that, and then 2 of these dots on every single one. Let's add some blue to up here, and I think that might be good. A nice kind of fun pumpkin. Time for bullet points on the other side, and we'll go from there. But I am practically done, so thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you think about both of these spreads. They're slightly different, definitely not scary, so I hope you guys like it. But thank you so much for tuning in and joining and staying until the end, because that's pretty big. And I'll see you guys for another plan with me very soon. We're almost in October, everyone, so that's pretty exciting. But thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!